In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image in OpenArt AI step by step so you can quickly create image variations using your own photo or design. This is a simple process, but if you know where to click, it becomes fast and easy. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI and software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open OpenArt and go to your homepage. Once you're on the home screen, look at the center menu and find the image button. Hover over that image button to reveal the drop-down options. This is where OpenArt keeps its different image tools, so take a second to look through the list. From the drop-down menu, click on Image Variation. This will take you into the OpenArt Image Variations workspace. This is the dedicated area where you can upload your own image and generate new versions based on it. If you want to create a variation from an existing image instead of starting from scratch, this is the correct tool to use. After the image variations page opens, you'll see the main workspace appear. Now you can begin setting everything up. First, if needed, swap the AI model to the one you want to use. Different models can give you different styles and levels of detail, so choose the one that best fits your project. Next, add your prompt description. This tells OpenArt what kind of result you want, and it helps guide the output after your image is uploaded. Be as clear as possible with your prompt. For example, you can describe the style, lighting, mood, or any changes you want the AI to make. The better your prompt, the better your result is likely to be. Now comes the main step. Click on the Upload button to add an image from your local storage. A file picker will open on your device, and from there you can select the image you want to use. Choose the file from your computer or phone storage, then confirm the upload. Once the image is loaded into OpenArt, it will be ready for the variation process. After your image is uploaded, take one final look at your prompt and model settings to make sure everything is correct, then click Generate. OpenArt will process your image and create the variation based on the model and prompt you selected. Depending on the settings and the complexity of the image, it may take a moment to finish. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload an image in OpenArt AI and start generating image variations from your own file. It's a quick workflow once you know where everything is, and it's a great way to speed up your creative process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.